Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. So for today's video, I'm not going to have our weekly trade recap, but I'm going to share to you this Asia session trading plan I'm using on Euro USD. So this setup usually happens during Mondays and Thursdays of the week. So for those who doesn't know the Asia session time, it's usually at 8 p.m. and 12 p.m. New York local time. So if you are not living in New York, you can adjust your time zone here below. So since I'm in the Philippines, so my current, my time zone is in UTC plus 8. So that's the opposite time of New York local time. That's 8 a.m. and 12 a.m. here in the Philippines. So if you cannot trade London session or New York session, you can always check ASA session if you have time on Monday and Thursdays of the week. So let's go and have this breakdown of our Asia session trading plan on EU. So first, we mark our previous day high and low. So for example, this is our previous day candles. This is our previous day candle. Okay, so we mark our previous day high and then our previous day low. Okay, number two, we wait for either previous day high or previous day low to be taken. Number three, once the previous day high or previous day low has been taken or has been tapped, we go down to 1 minute for confirmation entry. We wait for market structure shift. And number five, we enter at this FVG. And the last thing we do is we target a 1:2 risk reward ratio. So it's different from London and New York since um, Asia session is a slow moving session. So since we are doing intraday trading, so we can secure a 1:2 risk reward ratio, or we can target this next buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. Okay, so if we look at this pattern, we can see this. For example, we will take this previous day high. So once previous day high has been swept, we wait for a market structure shift and then enter at this FPG and target a 1:2, for example, this one here. So this is our market structure shift. And if FVG has been formed here, FVG, there. So we can enter at this FVG, stop loss just around this area above swing high, and then we can target this 1:2 risk reward ratio there. So same things happens if previous day low has been taken out. Okay, so for example, previous day low swept, wait for market structure shift, enter at this FVG and target a 1:2. For example, here, this is the market structure shift here, and then we have our FVG. So we enter a long position is FVG, and then our stop loss below the swing low, then targeting a 1:2. So if we have here some buy side or sell side liquidity, so we can target that one also. Okay, so without further ado, let's go for an example. And my example will be showing on Mondays and Thursdays of the week. Okay, let's go for a first example. So let's see here, guys, for our first example. So we are currently at this daily time frame. Okay, so this is Friday. This candle is Friday, February 2. So this next candle will be Monday, February 5. Okay, so first thing, we mark our previous day high and low. So this is the previous day high and this is the previous day low. Okay, so now we go down to 15-minute time frame so that we could see what will happen on the Asia session. There you go, guys. So this is Friday's um session, Asia, London, and then New York. So we can see here, this is the previous day low. Let's move here. And this is the previous day high. Okay, so on our trading plan, so we wait for this previous day low or this previous day high to be taken out on Asia session. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, guys, we can see here that we have taken this previous day low, but we are not yet on our Asia session. So we are expecting that this low will be taken out again. Okay, now we are now in our Asia session. So this is our new low. Okay, so we will be looking for this sweep here, or if the price will still reach this previous day high. Okay, guys, so we have here taken out this liquidity here. Let's see. Let's go down to 1 minute time frame to look for a confirmation entry if we could see a buy setup. Here we go, guys. So there you go, guys. We can clearly see here that this is sweep here. And then this is this market structure shift. Okay. So what our next step is that we will enter at this FVG. And place our long here on this FVG. Then our stop loss is just below this swing low. 30. That's 3 pips. And then we can target the next liquidity. Here. This is the buy side liquidity. Or 1:2 risk reward ratio. Win 30, that's 6 pips. Okay. We target a 1:2, or we can target this buy side liquidity here. There you go, guys. So that's our first example. Previous day low, and then this low, since we are not yet in our, what do you call this, Asia session. So if you are aggressive enough, we can enter at this. But on my trading plan, this is not valid for me, since my trading plan is within Asia session, since we have here also this market structure shift. But we stick to our trading plan inside Asia session. Okay, let's go now to our let's have another more example. So here's for another example, guys. This candle, February 16, that's Friday. So first thing we do, we mark our this previous day high, and then we mark this previous day low. Okay, so and then our next step is we go to 15 minutes time frame so that we could see what will happen on the Asia session on Monday, because next day this next candle will be Monday, February 19. See, so let's move this previous day high, and let's move this previous day low. Okay, let's play the market. Let's see which liquidity will be taken out. Okay, so we are now in our Asia session here. So the next thing we do, We go down to 1 minute time frame to look for a confirmation entry. So we wait for a market structure shift to be happen. So this is the low. Then we have here this sweep. And then we have here another sweep. So this will be our point of market structure shift. Oh, no, market structure shift. So we wait if we could see on the closing below this low here. Okay. So we still not have our closing below. Okay, there we go, guys. We have here this market structure shift. So our next thing to do is we mark this fair value gap. So we place our entry here. Stop loss just above this high. So that's 13. Let's put 20 and then target a 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. Because if we just put this one here, 13, that's only 1.3 pips. So we are sure to get stopped out by a spread. Okay? So that's 1 is to 2. This is almost the sell side liquidity. There you go. Let's see what will happen. We have a choppy. Okay. This is liquidity build up or inducement. There we go, guys. We have a top in our entry. There we go, guys. This is the sell side liquidity. And we have a TP hit of 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio. Okay, so that's the setup on Monday, February 19, 2024. Okay, so let's look for an example on Thursday again. Just like on this setup, it usually happens on Mondays and Thursdays of the week. Let's look for our third and last example. So guys, on our third example, our third and final example, guys. So here we are looking at this Wednesday candle. So on the next day, this is the Thursday candle. So first thing we do again, we mark this previous day high. And then we mark this previous day low. Previous day low. And then we go to 15-minute time frame since we are doing intraday so that we could see what is happening on each sessions. So here we go, guys. We can see these lows, this previous day low, and then this previous day high. So let's see what will happen on Asia session. Okay, there we go, guys. Here, this Asia session. We have, oh no, let's stop this one. Stop and stop. Let's go back. What's happening to your trading view? Here, guys, we can see this previous day high has been taken out or has been tapped. So next thing we do, we go to 1 minute time frame for our confirmation entry. Okay, here, this is our previous day high. So we are not yet We could not see market structure shift. See, okay, we have a lot of liquidity sweep here. So we are still waiting for our market structure shift to be happen. Okay, another sweep around here. Still no market structure shift. Okay. Oh, what we have here, this market structure shift. Still no. This is our current low. Let's mark this. Okay, still no market structure shift. Okay, so still no market structure shift. Okay, there we go, guys. We have here this market structure shift. But as you can see, we don't have any FVG form yet. Let's see. Here you go, guys. We have here this, what do you call this? FVG form. So we will place our entry at this FVG. Um, our stop loss just this high. Okay, so that's 42. Let's make it 45, and then targeting 1:2. That's 90. So let's see what will happen. So as you can see, it's almost on our sell side liquidity. Okay, guys, we have here this entry. Let's make it slow. Okay, we are currently here in a drawdown, but we are not yet stepped out. No, why are you like stop dancing? Okay, guys, we are now in a running profit. We can see here that we have our breakaway gap. So it's a sign that our price is going down. Away gap. This one. There we go, guys. We have here our take profit hit. So that's a 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay. So hope you have learned again something from me, or if you want to try this, just do a back testing on your own so that you could familiarize this trading setup on Asia session. If you don't have time to trade on London or in New York session, you might have time trading Asia session. Okay, so that's all for today, guys, and hope you have learned something again from me again, and hope to see you again on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more, guys. Thank you.